In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom URL redirects in Shopify. Redirects are a powerful tool to guide visitors when you change URLs or eliminate pages. This ensures they land on the right pages smoothly, helping you maintain a seamless experience. Missing or outdated links can frustrate customers or harm your search engine ranking, so you'll want to make sure that you're managing your redirects effectively. Let's get started right away. First, we'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Go ahead and log into your Shopify account if you haven't already. Once on the dashboard, look towards the left-hand side where you'll find the menu bar. Here, you'll find all the sections that can be customized for your store. Today, we'll focus on the online store section where we'll eventually create and manage our URL redirects. Once in the online store section, look for the menus option. This is going to be your hub for managing various navigational aspects of your store, including the crucial task of overseeing your URL redirects. Click on Menus to navigate to that section. Within the Menus overview, there's a special tab labeled URL Redirects. This is where the magic happens. Clicking here will take you to the URL Redirects dashboard. On this dashboard, you can see any existing redirects and manage them or create new ones if needed. Now, to create a new redirect, look for the button that says Create URL Redirect. Click this and you'll be taken to a new screen dedicated to setting up your redirect. In this setup page, you'll see two main fields, Redirect From and Redirect To. These are quite self-explanatory, but let's dive into their specifics. The Redirect From field is where you'll input the old URL or the URL that you want to redirect traffic from. This could be an outdated page or a URL that no longer exists. Be careful to input the exact relative URL path after the main domain. Once you've input the URL to redirect from, move on to the next field, which is Redirect To. In this field, you'll put in the new, updated URL where you want visitors to end up. Again, make sure this is a working and correct URL. After you've filled in both these fields and you're confident everything is accurate, you simply click Save Redirect. This will activate your redirect, ensuring that anyone visiting the old URL is seamlessly guided to the new destination without any hassle. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. Creating custom URL redirects on Shopify is a straightforward process, but it plays a critical role in how effortlessly users navigate your site. So keep practicing, and in no time it will become second nature. Thanks for following along and happy redirecting.